Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name's Matt Bogosian, real estate agent right here in Middle Tennessee. I just finished picking up some of my favorite sushi right here in Spring Hill, Tennessee. A little place called Asuka. My wife and I absolutely love it. It was actually my wife's birthday yesterday, which was June 9th, but I was out of town setting up an Airbnb that we just bought. And I promised her we would do something special, and we love having a little sushi, maybe a glass or two of wine, and watching a movie or something like that. So that's what we're gonna do. So like I said, I was out of town setting up an Airbnb. We bought a little beach house down in Florida, and we're really excited about it. But I will admit, it's a lot more work and way more money than I imagined to get this thing up and running. I mean, you got to remember, and I say that because I feel like everybody talks about Airbnbs like they're so easy to just buy. Like, hey, I want to buy an Airbnb. Yeah, I'm going to get an Airbnb one day. And they're not even thinking about the costs. So you usually, the lenders are wanting you to put down 25 or 30% on the loan. So you've got that money. Then you've got your closing costs, which are going to be about, I don't know, 2 or 3% of the loan. And then you got to furnish the place. And that right there is just the killer. You got to buy furniture. You got to buy dishes. We bought a golf cart. You needed to buy beach chairs and glasses. And I screened in the back patio. I mean, the list just goes on and on and on. Do I regret it? No. I mean, I have to tell you guys, I believe in real estate so much. I want to own as much of it as possible. I love it. I love real estate. This house is amazing. We were just down there, my son and I, and the place is just bustling. There's people on bikes and golf carts, and there's restaurants and people eating and drinking. It is just awesome. And I love the house. I love it for me. I'm so excited that we own that. It feels like I own something now. It's very similar to the feel when I bought my land and built a house on it. It's just such a good feeling. And I have very low expectations for it. If I lose 50% of my costs, so whatever that is through the year, so say I only make a little bit of money, but I still end up losing, I'm okay with that. I mean, I own a house down by the beach. I mean, what more could you want? And I was telling my friend this the other day, and you guys tell me in the comments below if you agree or disagree, but I can't imagine that in 10 or 15 years from now, I will regret buying this house. I mean, don't you guys think in 10 or 15 years, it will be worth more and it will have been an amazing purchase? Now, I don't know, maybe next year prices dip or things come to a standstill, and if I were to sell it, I would have to take 20 or 30 grand less. I don't know. I don't really care because I plan on keeping it. I'm hoping to keep it, and when I get older, go down to the beach and hang out with all the other older people and just enjoy it. So, I don't know. That's my lesson to you guys today. Just if you want to do something, just go after it. Don't get hung up on all the news and what other people are saying. Just move forward with what you want to do. And that's what we wanted. We wanted to buy a beach house. Yes, it cost me some money. Yes, it made me a little nervous. Yes, I feel a little uncomfortable. But I will say that anything good that has ever happened to me was because I put myself in a position where I was a little bit uncomfortable, where it was a little bit risky. And you got to do that. Put yourself out there, guys. What's the worst that can happen? You sell the house and you lose money. Okay. Do you not have confidence in yourself that you can't, that you can make more money? I do. And you can't take it with you, guys. We're all going to end up in the same place. Might as well take a shot. Might as well take a shot.